I'm gonna have to apologize, y'all. Once I got that inner spring clip compressed, I didn't want to screw around. Anyway, hose clamp. Run it up there. I was using a driver instead of a screwdriver, make it a little bit easier. Kind of short-handed up here. Jer's out after Thanksgiving Day shopping everywhere. Anyway, use the hose clamp to compress that inner spring clip and ease it in there. And then don't push on your rod, push on your gland itself. And once you get past the camphor on the end of the cylinder, the spring will stay compressed until it goes into that inner groove and clicks right in place. I'll forewarn you, be sure you take out this little tool ring to aid in getting the piston out before you put everything back together. And of course I did. And kind of messes up the world if you don't. You'll be taking it all apart again. And now you're short your little tool to get that inner clip out. So, time to put it all back together and test it out. I'll show you a video of that here in a minute. Thank you.